78 deaths per day. The most recent U.S. mortality rate from opioid overdose, according to the White House. And the number is going up. The Centers for Disease Control say the rate of drug overdose deaths is lower in Texas than the national average. Yet 4 cities make the top 25 list for opioid abuse, including Texarkana, Amarillo, Odessa, and Longview. Texas Congressman Mac Thornberry says the problem also touches injured veterans.
And that's part of the reason that opioids have spread so much, because there are legitimate uses for them to stop pain, but they are so addictive that it gets out of hand.
Congress just passed legislation to help, CARA, the Comprehensive Addiction and Recovery Act. President Obama sought $1 billion to fund its proposals. Republicans see another approach.
You can have a difference of how much money should be spent on something, but the choice here is nothing or at least some money on it.
The bad news is it does not begin to have the funding it should. There are a lot of people who want to vote for it and say, see, I've solved the problem. No, you're halfway there. It needs money.
Advocates for drug treatment say it's possible they may never receive adequate funding.
It's up to Congress to actually put forth the money to fund the programs they've authorized.
Democratic senators already have introduced legislation they say would provide states with substantial funding for CARA. The fight continues when Congress returns after Labor Day. In Washington, Jen Cardone, KAMC News.